Hi everybody, it's Jill from Sew and Save. I'm here to give you some homework assignments and to clarify fabrics for your project. Your kits are ready. They've been put on a paused sale under each of your names on the Fabric Gallery side. All you have to do is go to the Fabric Gallery register and let them know you have a paused sale, and they will get that for you and get that all taken care of. Okay, so once you get home with your pattern and your fabrics, here's what you're gonna do. You are gonna begin cutting, and Shabby Fabrics does a really nice job giving you a sticker sheet. And if you just follow the order of the sticker sheet, starting with E1, which is red number 1, and the red number 1 is sort of a grungy looking red, you're going to just go down the row. Actually, there's a better description here. On page 2 of your pattern piece, it tells you to cut 2 3x14s, and then it tells you how to subcut. So you're going to go through each of your fabrics and follow those directions. Again, it's on page 1 of your pattern description. Okay, so I just want to skim through this here. Red 1 is this grungy looking red. White is got a tiny star on it in gray, red, light blue, and navy blue. Gold, that one's probably the easiest one to find. It's got a star with the gold coloring. The red 2 is sort of a collage-y looking American flag print. Blue 1 is a chambray blue solid. Blue 2 is a navy blue with a small star. The multi has the USA print on it with navy stars in the background. The borders are this floral red, white, and blue print. The back is, I don't quite know how to describe those flowers, but you get the picture. And then there is a 2.5-inch strip that you'll sew together to create the binding for your 12x12 wall hanging. Okay, so what you're going to do is, as you cut and label all these pieces according to those instructions on page 1, is you're going to end up then at the end with a pile of fabrics with stickers on it. What I want you to do before class is I want you to put those piles in alphabetical order. So you'll have an A pile, a B pile, C pile, etc. And then within each of those piles, I want you to put them in numerical order. So A pile will be 1, 2, 3, etc. And then set those aside, like clip them together, clip all the A's together, the B's together. So that'll make us really organized when we start to work when we get together for class. All right, then you have 3 pieces of, you probably have more because the pattern has 2 sets in it. So it's kind of a newsprint sort of a feeling paper. I want you to take and cut all those pieces out, but don't cut on this thin line. I want you to cut at least 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch outside the thin line. So you want to cut all those pieces apart, and then you can put them with the corresponding piles. So for example, this is a B piece. You're going to put that with your B pile. Here's a C piece. You'll put that with your C pile. Here's a D piece that goes with the D pile. You get it, I'm sure. Okay, so make sure you get all that done before class on the 20th. That would be next week, Friday. Like I said, your patterns are at the store. Those will be on the machine side in the class folder. The clerks on the machine side will be able to help you find those and get that taken care of, and then you have to go over to the fabric gallery side and pick up your kit, and then get busy cutting, and we'll see you next week Friday. Be sure to call me or email me if you have any questions. I'm happy to help you out. Looking forward to seeing you all. Bye now.